How to add extra credits in OpenArt AI. So I'm over here at the home page. Let's go to upgrade at the top right over here. Click on that, and then you'll have your plans. Now it depends on which plans you have. I have this one. If I go to monthly, you can see current plan. I can downgrade, I can upgrade. Now, in order to have more credits, you can just go to optional add-on extra credits. So if I want 5,000 credits, it's gonna cost another 15 bucks. If I want 10,000, it's gonna cost, so every 5,000 credits, it's gonna cost 15 bucks. But here's the trick. If you are on advanced plan or essential, make sure you calculate how much credits more you're gonna get. So if you only need 5,000, which is $15 plus advance, so we're gonna have $44 a month for 17,000 credits, right? Which is fine if you need 5,000 credits. But if you need 10,000, it's gonna cost 30, right? So if I add 29 plus 30, it's gonna cost $59, which is gonna be 22,000 credits. So it's better not to take the 10,000 credits and just upgrade to infinite, which is gonna cost less, and it's gonna give you 24,000 credits without this plan, right? So I'm gonna remove this one. So you don't need this one, but gonna upgrade to this plan. It's gonna give you 24,000, and here it's gonna give you 22,000, and it's gonna cost less in like $3. So it depends how many credits more you need. Let's say you need more. Let's say you need 40,000 credits. Just make sure to upgrade to infinite, because you're gonna have more options over here. You're gonna have support, more parallel images, videos, images, everything is gonna be doubled. And then you can add more credits. So because you got from here you had 12,000, you're gonna have 24,000. So let's divide it. You're gonna pay this much amount. It depends on how many you need. But in general, yeah, this is how you... So in general, this is how to add additional credits in OpenArt AI. Thank you for watching.